This is the process of getting a thumbnail. Good morning, vlog.
What up, what up?
Today is a very exciting video.
Yep. Got our TV stand and it's all new, but now it's kind of boring on the top, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we just kind of threw things up there for like the time being, but today
We're gonna go to the dollar store for once and see if we can't DIY from there and decorate a little bit.
it's still cold outside. I'm pretty excited to see what we find at the dollar store, because our thrift store videos went like way better than I expected. So go check those out if you haven't seen them already. But I think we're gonna find some good stuff at the dollar store too. What do you think, baby?
Yeah.
All right, we're here.
Dollar Tree.
So we are home now. We found a lot of really good stuff at the stores. We ended up going to 2 dollar stores and I'm really happy with what we found. So Milo has to be in the frame. We got everything here for about $20. Some of the things were on sale. So we got these 2 picture frames, and then we got some flowers that we're gonna put in this glass vase, and we're kind of gonna DIY that. We got some candles, this little sign, and a little wax melter. How'd you get so cute? Huh? So Nate just cut the burlap and put it around this little vase. And now he's cutting the flowers to put inside. Here, we bought this filler that will also go inside to like
Just weight it down.
yeah, make it look a little better too. So that's so cute though. Nate just poured the sand stuff in here. This is something we got at the dollar store as well, and it looks so much better already. And he's gonna set it so that if Milo knocks it over, it won't go everywhere. And now that's finished. That's so cute. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
So that is all for our dollar store decor video.
Just showing you guys how to decorate a little bit more on a budget, but still make it look nice.
You don't have to spend a bunch of money to make it look decent, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and maybe got some inspiration.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys have any future ideas or you want to see more.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.